donuts. Clover shaped donuts for St. Patrick's Day. So good. So good. I'm going to show you how to make them. Back on my BS. Welcome to my shit show. Let's cook. 3/4 cup milk. 2 1/4 teaspoons dry active yeast. 1/4 cup sugar. Pee Wee Herman. Whisk it up. Milk out of the fridge into the microwave for 35 seconds. Literally. Let it sit 5 to 6 minutes until it activates. We'll be back. You can mix this by hand. Not about that way. 2 tablespoons melted butter. Liquid chicken. Need 1 egg and 1 yolk. And I don't like throwing away parts of an egg, but for this recipe, I will. 1 yolk. 3 cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put this into the Red Rocket and we'll be back when the dough comes together. And I do see this comment on other people's posts. I don't know how some of these influencers claim that their dough literally cleans the bowl every time. Because mine does not. So if yours is not, you're not alone. So we're just gonna scrape out the rest and combine it into our little dough ball. And then we'll just pretend it was all perfect. Now I'm just gonna work it together. Now we feel better. Spray the hell out of your bowl. Slap its ass to activate it. Put it in. Cover. Put mine in the oven, just the light on, for an hour or so, till she doubles in size. Flour. Roll her out. I left the oven light on. I'm going to put these back in the oven to do their second rest. So you know. I have this, but it's just so old I'm not even going to open it. I'm going to keep it forever. So, we're going with this today. Pull it out. Your donuts. I don't have a little circle, so this is what we're doing. A parchment lined sheet. I'm going to put them on this parchment paper so they can do a second rise, and I'm going to go through and cut them all. They're that thick. Just working the dough back into one, and I'm going to re-roll it out and make some more. I'm going to put these in the oven and let them do a second rest for about 20 minutes. We're back. They have been resting in my oven with the light on for about 20 minutes. It's time to fry them. My heat is medium high. I have a piece of dough. I never check the temp with a gun. I always just throw something in. When it starts frying, I know my shit is ready. My little tester dough is bubbling now. By the way, this mouse tool product is on my Amazon links. So I think she's ready to start feeding in the beauties. Just gonna gently put them in the oil. Try not to overcrowd your pan by doing too many donuts. Is a key. Fry these until they're brown on one side, and then I'm going to flip them over and fry the other side. And then I'm going to take them out and put them on a paper towel. Like such. The longer you're cooking with your oil, the hotter it'll get. So you might have to turn it down, but they cook quickly. Probably a couple minutes on each side. 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, teaspoon vanilla, Great Value Guru, Pee Wee Herman. Make a glaze, which you would generally leave right here, except I made Clover Donuts, so Jill, we're gonna dye green for St. Patrick's Day. 2 drops. And just like that, St. Patrick's Day threw up in my glaze. Chocolate. It's 1 cup. Do about 2 tablespoons. Heavy whipping cream. And you're gonna melt this in the microwave until it's nice and smooth. Still a little stiff, so I'm gonna add a couple more tablespoons. I have an aluminum lined pan, so I have space to lay them out. And then our little beauties. I'm gonna do the chocolates first. I'm gonna set them out on the cookie sheet. Just dip as many as you want. I got 20 of these little donuts out of that batch. I mean, just dip as many as you want. I have some cookie sprinkles that I'm going to sprinkle onto these chocolate ones. Like that. Now I'm gonna do the St. Patrick's Day throw up glaze on the rest. These ones I'm gonna dip both sides and drip it off and then set it on the tray. Chocolate and glazed donuts. Now you know how to make them.